Hello, my friend. So, my friend, right now I'm in a kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to make chapati. So I will show you the process, how to knead the flour. Okay, how actually I do all the process. First, I have to take out. So take out the flour. Okay, so this is the wheat flour, and this is mixed flour. Okay, mixed flour means millet flour. Okay, so now I'm going to count that how many chapatis I'm going to make. So first, I actually count it like this. Okay, one, two, three, four. So mix it. I'm going to mix it. One, two, three, four. So now the process. This is called sifting. So that is sifting. So I'm sifting the flour. Okay. So I'm sifting the flour. So that process is called sift. So that is sieve, churning. Okay. So I have actually counted four. Hey, no, eight chapatis. Okay. Now we are four members in our home. So for each member I will make 4 or 5 chapatis. Okay. So now for my father, my mother. Okay. Now for me, one, two, three, and four. I will mix it. One, two, three. Okay. So sift it. I'm going to sift it. When you do, it's just all actually. I want to say to all the housewives. So when you do the kitchen work, so you can actually practice English at home with yourself. Okay. So I have actually counted like 4 member flour. Okay. So going to put one more just for speed because sometime actually they can eat more. Okay. So now this process is called knead. So I'm going to knead the flour. Okay, not NWED. This is KNEAD, knead. So this process is called knead the flour. So tell me in the comments. So have you ever knead the flour if you are a boy? Because especially for boys, they actually do not like to knead the flour. So so many boys actually they are actually living. No, they are living far away from the home. Okay, so they have to make chapati and food with their son. So very few boys they actually like to make chapati because in chapati there are 3 or 4 types of work. First we will have to do like sift the flour, then knead the flour, okay, then make the bowl and roll the chapati, then bake the chapati. So many process. So you have to go through with so many process. But in rice, there is only one process. First rinse the rice and put it into the pressure cooker and boil. So that's why so many boys, if those they are they are actually living far away from the home, okay, for the study purpose, okay, for some other purpose like job purpose, they actually like to eat rice maximum. But I actually do not like rice too much. Okay. I like mixed flour, like millet roti, maize roti, okay, and wheat roti, okay, and porridge. I also like porridge, dalia, okay. So in rice, actually, I just like boiled rice, but not in pressure cooker. That actually, that are boiled in pressure cooker, I do not like that rice. I like those rice who actually, that are boiled in the pot and drain off the water left over water. Okay, so this process is called knead. I'm going to knead the flour. Okay, like this. So you have to knead this just for 10 minutes. If you want that chapatis will puff, then knead it properly. Okay. So when the flour will turn soft, then you consider that you have that then you actually consider that this flour is prepared to make. That's not easy work. That's why so many people they actually like rice, not chapati. But I would say that mixed chapati, like millet chapati, is so much good for health. So we have to actually eat. We have to eat after changing, like some after one day. Like one day we can eat rice. Next day we can eat millet roti. Then next day we can eat wheat roti. Okay. So I think we should eat after changing. So our body actually will be habitual, and also our body actually gets so much nutrition if we actually eat the food after changing. No? So I have kneaded it. So now you can see here it's actually now it's soft. So it has got soft now. So I'm ready to make roll. So now let me. So my friend, so it's time to roll the chapati. Okay. So that is a rolling pin. I have taken out the rolling pin, and I am going to make chapati, roll the chapati on the hearth. You can see here. That is hearth. So I am going to bake the chapati on the hearth. So I have put the griddle, that is griddle, tawa, and I have actually lit the fire. Okay. So now fire is, we can say fire is actually burning. No, we can say sticks. We can say wood is burning. Okay. So you can see here I'm collecting the ember. Oh, sorry. Here I'm collecting the ember. Okay, so I can actually bake the chapati also on the ember. Ember means angare. Okay. So griddle actually, I think griddle it has heated. So now I'm going to show you how to bake chapati. Yes, here I have sit here, so I'm going to cover myself with the red cloth. So first, this I'm going to make the like a ball, small ball, okay, of the kneaded flour. Put it, you can say, pour it into the dry flour, okay. Then make little bit, actually going to spread it like this. Again, put it into the dry flour, and this is the rolling pin, and like this. I'm rolling now. So I'm rolling the chapati. So I'm rolling it. So you can see here I have rolled it, properly round, gold, properly round. Okay. Flour थोड़ा सा flatten it. Put it on the griddle. So now can't show you the whole process. Just this is the second one. Okay. So you can also see on the floor. Okay. So you can see also on the earth like this, and just make it a little bit flat. Make it a little bit flat, not flatter. This is flat, and like this, and like this. Roll it. I'm rolling it. That process is called roll. That process is called flip. That is flip. So I'm flipping chapati. Okay. So a little bit. I'm actually going to flat it. So this chapati, yes. So it actually it has baked a little bit. So now next process, I'm going to puff it on the ember. Ember means angari. So you can see here, I'm going to puff it. So that's why actually I like chapati that actually that is made on the hearth. So I like that chapati because actually that chapati actually baked. That chapati actually is baked from all the side. Okay, so that's part. Yes. So flip it. Yes. So I will show you the next. I will show you the whole process. Oh, so let me make all the chapati, bake all the chapati, then I will talk.